Ever since the invention of the automobile, humankind has never stopped dreaming about flying vehicles. Over the last decades, significant progress has been made in the world of air mobility, but the race is now on to develop efficient personal mobility solutions that can take individuals to the skies like in science fiction movies. We've seen dozens of eVTOLs lately that have taken bold steps toward real-world usage, but most of these solutions are designed to be used as air taxis for public transport, and few are for personal use. Poland-based startup Volonaut is aiming to fill this gap, with a bonkers one-person hoverbike that could turn regular folks into pilots, and allow them to soar through the skies like Luke Skywalker in Star Wars. The hoverbike is called the Volonaut Airbike, and was developed by Tomasz Patton, the same guy who created the Jetson 1, a one-person eVTOL that performed its first official test flight this February. The new, futuristic flying vehicle is described as a superbike for the skies, and it can levitate and glide in the air, carrying one person up in the sky at speeds of up to 124 miles per hour. In terms of looks, the Polish inventor adopted a sleek, minimal design with an open-air configuration. The contraption has no enclosure caging the rider and no seat back, which means whoever flies this thing will have to lean to the front just like one would on a motorcycle. There aren't any visible propellers, no wings, and no side fairings to interrupt the view. All these contribute to a narrow silhouette that is easy to maneuver through tight spaces. What it does have is a pair of angular struts that act as landing gear. Technical details about the Volonaut Airbike are very scarce, but the dedicated web page mentions it is powered by jet propulsion rather than spinning propellers, and that the outer surfaces are made of carbon fiber, which makes it 7 times lighter than a conventional motorcycle. Key structural components, on the other hand, are 3D printed. It seems to be controlled by 2 joysticks on the sides and body tilts, while stabilization is handled by a proprietary onboard flight computer that filters rider input and provides automatic hover and increased control during flight. The Airbike hoverbike is touted as a breakthrough in personal air mobility, and Volonaut has recently released a video showing a working prototype in action. The footage shows the Airbike flying above a desert, moving across forest ridgelines, hovering in place, lifting and landing without assistance. Over the last few days, the video has become viral, and while some viewers doubt its authenticity, inventor Tomasz Patton told the media that it's as real as it gets, no trickery there, not a bit of AI, claiming that he just had a great camera and FPV drone operators. As of now, no details on the commercial availability or pricing of the Volonaut Airbike are available, but Volonaut claims it will go to market in the near future.